Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up your Twitter profile on the twitter.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should go to your profile in the left side column of the screen. Then click on the Setup Profile button in the middle of the screen. After that, you should select a profile picture if you want to by tapping on this Add Photo button in the top, and then you should select a picture you would like to upload. Then tap on this button down below, or if you don't want to click on the same button, skip for now. You can also pick a header, which will be or serve as a background picture. After that, you can also write a few words about yourself as a bio. So you have 160 characters, as you can see, so type it in. Then click on the button next. Down below you can add your location, so your city or town, and as you can see, your profile has been updated. So tap on the See Profile button and you will be able to see the changes that you have made. If you want to change any of these information, just tap on the Setup Profile again, and then you can select the relevant part that you would like to change or update. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.